Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit Add to Cart button in WooCommerce in 2024. So the Add to Cart button plays a key role in driving your sales. So customizing it to fit your store brand and user experience can make a big impact. Whether you want to change the color, text, or position of the button, we'll just take you or step by step through the process of using some simple and easy to follow instructions on how to do so, following some articles. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Make sure to go to your WooCommerce example.com. And of course, to edit WooCommerce, we'll need WordPress. So go again to WordPress like.com as well. And of course, for me, I'm going to use my localhost and WordPress for WordPress. So in here, basically for WooCommerce, you'll need to go and log in into your account. If you have an account, if you don't have an account, go and create a new one. And basically to start editing editing Add to Carts button on WooCommerce, you'll need like to have the plugin ready of WooCommerce and maybe also some plugins that will help you customize that as well, like Elementor. So to find those plugins example, you can go to the list panel, go and click on plugins as example, and then click on add new. Once you're there as example, you'll look for two plugins, which are very, very useful. The first one, of course, this is necessary, which is WooCommerce. So go look for WooCommerce, click on it, of course, make sure to click on install button. You'll find the install now button like this one. You'll find this right here instead of this activate. So install, then activate it once you install it. And meanwhile, of course, once it's installed, you can read description, installation, frequently asked questions, change logs, screenshots, review, whatever you want about it. Then, of course, activate it. For me, I'll not be able to activate this because I have like incompatibility with WordPress like version. And other than that, this is just optional if you want to install also this Elementor like plugin, which is very, very good if you want to customize your experience more. So you'll have to do the same, install, then activate it. And yeah, so once both of them are activated as example, you'll find them right here. Of course, for me, I'll not be able also to run Elementor because I have an outdated like PHP version. So I'll have to upgrade this if I want to use it. But I'll not be able to do that because I'm just on my local host. Of course, I can try, but it will require a lot of time. As you can see, if you click on show me how, you'll find here this big article that you'll need to follow step by step to do it. And it will require a lot of time. So basically, for you, once you have your WooCommerce ready and like your Elementor, you can simply go to this left panel and find the WooCommerce. You can click on it, or as example, for me, I'll just go here 2 pages. Normally on add to cart, you'll find it on the products page. So let's say this is the products page that you have this add to cart button. So you'll have to edit it. Just go to that specific button and you will be able to start seeing it. For me, in this, I'll just go and ask some articles to show you how to edit this because I have no way to show you without those plugins, without the WooCommerce and Elementor. Elementor is not optional, but WooCommerce is very necessary. So just go and open a new tab. I'll just go here and type how to edit this example, add to carts button in WooCommerce. So you might ask why I'm typing this right now, right here in front of you, why not prepare an article before? I have actual articles, but I want to show you like where to find them. So you can just type this in Google and you'll find those articles, which is very good, especially one by WooCommerce. So an example here, the first article, change add to carts button text, as example. So they give you even a code snippet, as example, if you want to implement it, you'll have just to add this code to your child theme, function.php file or via plugin that allows custom functions to be added, such as code snippets plugin. So avoid adding some custom code directly to your parent theme, function.php file, as this will be wiped entirely when you update the theme. As you can see, they give you here like the code, PHP code that you can add. And of course, here you can change add to carts text in a single products page. So as you can see, and here you can change add to cart text on products archives page. And third-party plugins example. So along with using some custom code, it's possible to change the add to carts button labels all single products pages and also on archive shop page using some third-party plugins like Loco Translate, add to cart button custom text, and WooCommerce custom add to cart button. Of course, we can look for this plugins. So let's just look for Loco Translate here. So just go and click on here, go to plugins, add new. As an example, let's see if it's existing or not. So loco here translate as an example. So let me just go check again. So loco translates, and yeah, so translates, and I should find this maybe. So yeah, as you can see, and here for me again, it's incompatible, so I'm not going even to install it. But as you can see, it has even good reviews, like 5 stars, very good, which will help you as it seems to uh, change or edit the add to carts button. Other options, there's the add to carts button. So I'll just go and look for it. So add to carts button as an example. So you can even type that and choose like whatever. Of course, they even give you Elementor because, as I said before, Elementor is the best. Of course, you can choose this WooCommerce card abandonment recovery. This WooCommerce example one, site to cart WooCommerce. You can see a lot of options. So this is the one that they suggested before, and they have even this WooCommerce custom add to cart button. So you can even look for that as well. So like commerce. So yeah, WooCommerce add as example button, or add to cart button example. So you can look for that as well. And yeah, once you find it, you have to do the same, install it and activate it. So other than that, we have this article example, which will show you how to customize add to cart button in WooCommerce example. So they show you here a video, small video like of 7 minutes. Very good, it seems like, and they'll show you how to do it. So install WooCommerce, create products, set up products page, add the price, then save the products, of course. So you can even have this add to cart, and from there, of course, you'll be able to this is however you want. Of course, you can even add variation, drop down quantity field to add the cart button. So yeah, this will be it for me today, I guess. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.